Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by backing up critical files and confirming you have a compatible replacement drive. Once done, shut down, unplug power, and touch chassis to discharge static. This prevents component damage. Next, remove the side panel and expose the drive bay while noting the SATA and power cable paths so reconnection is straightforward. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized in a tray. This saves time when reinstalling. Now you'll remove the old drive. Disconnect the SATA data cable and power connector by pulling straight out to avoid bending pins. Then unscrew the drive from its bracket or slide it out of the caddy. Align the replacement drive so the connectors match the cable direction, then fasten it with the same screws or clip it into the tray, tight but not over tight. Once mounted, reconnect the SATA cable to the motherboard and the power cable from the PSU, following the original cable routing. With the new drive installed, power on and press the BIOS key to confirm the drive appears and to set boot priority if you replace the system disk. If installing an OS, proceed with the installer. Otherwise, boot into your operating system and use disk management or disk utility to initialize, partition, and format the new drive. Once done, restore your backup. If the drive isn't detected, receipt cables, try a different SATA port and power connector, and check BIOS for legacy versus OSI mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.